Hello friend, in this video we are going to create our first Power BI report using a Excel file. Power BI reports are visuals that explain your dataset better. A report could just be a single visual or pages of visuals. These reports came from a dataset. Before you can create any report in Power BI, you need a dataset and a blank report canvas. So we will be using a superstore data as a data source, which will be a Excel file. So let me just show you the data source, that is an Excel file. So in the data folder, so yeah, this is an Excel file, sample superstore. So let me just open this Excel file. So this is the data of the superstore sales data. So on in this data we are going to create our first Power BI report, which is an Excel file. So basically, let me just give you a small overview of what a superstore sales data is. Superstore data sample is composed of data about retail sales of items sold across multiple stores and districts. There are also data about this year's performance, last year's sales units, gross margin, variance, profit, sales, shipping, etc. So at the top row you can see these are the column which are present in the superstore data. So you can see there are total number of 21 columns and the sheet name is order. So this is can be called a sheet name or a table name. The second sheet is person and the third one is returns. So we are going to work with a order sheet. So now let us just fetch and get this data into our Power BI desktop. So I will just open my Power BI. Okay, so now I will show you how to connect Power BI to Excel files and how to get data from Excel to Power BI. So to demonstrate, you just need to click on the get data. Now in get data under common data source, you just need to click on Excel, as we are going to you work with Excel data source. But if in case your data source is not listed here, you can just go and click on more and you will definitely get your data source. So now I am going to click on Excel. So once I click on Excel, it will ask me for the path where the file is located. So I will just navigate to that path. So let me just go to the data, and yeah, so this is sample superstore, and you can see here Excel files that are XLSX, XLSM. So these are all the Excel file which can work with Power BI. So now let me just click with open. So once you click on open, so it will take some time to connect to the Excel file. So it will give you a window that please wait, the Power BI is connecting to an Excel file, that is superstore. So once the Excel file is connected with Power BI, you can see the navigator, that is a folder. So if you click on this folder, you will find the number of sheets that are present in the Excel file. So you can see there are 3 sheets, as well as I told you that sheets are same as tables. So these are 3 tables: order 1, order 2, and order 3. So now I am going to select order. So once you select the order sheet, you can see all the data which are there in the order sheet will be displayed here. So this is basically for verification, like if you are okay with the data, then you can go ahead, or else you need to perform a edit, that is transform data. So currently I don't want to make any changes to the data, so let me click on the load button. So once you click on the load button, so you can see the data is starting to load. So you can see a window that is load orders creating connection in model. So it will take some time based on the number of records it is there in the data source. So it will start fetching the data from the Excel to Power BI desktop. You need to just wait. Like you can see, orders 9994 rows. So these are the nine count of rows which is present in the Superstore Excel file. So let me just verify it. So if I go to my Excel file and if I go down, you can see, yeah, 9994. So the count matches with the number of record inserted in the Power BI desktop. So once the count is verified, go to Power BI desktop, and in the right you can find a fields where the number of columns that are present in the order sheets will be displayed. So these are the column names which are present in the order sheet. Basically, you will see all the columns that imported from the Excel file under the field section.